What is good, YouTube family? Welcome back to the channel. If you didn't know by now, my name is Josh, also known as PTownKicks, and today's video is gonna be a little bit different because we are gonna be showing the process of purchasing a $1,500 mystery box from PTownKicks. But first, let me do a big shout out to Untied Hawaii because he did the first video. The link is gonna be in the description, just showing what he did on his $2,500 mystery box. So I thought, hey, why not try as a up-and-coming, YouTuber, regular consumer, how it is. Hopefully we'll get the same results, somewhat similar. I just wanted to show kind of the process. This video will probably air in about 2 weeks after filming it. So today is March 5th. It's 1:38 p.m. I'll be showing a screen by screen of how I'm purchasing it, how easy or difficult it is on the website, and then go from there. I'm gonna need a big favor before we do this. If we're gonna keep buying mystery boxes like this, I'm gonna need you to smash that like button, turn on the notifications, and hit that subscribe button because this is the only way we're gonna keep it going. So what I'm gonna do now, wait, actually, have you done it? All right, thank you, appreciate y'all. All right, so I'm gonna go and screen record this. So we're gonna go down to PTownKicks. All right, and then we're gonna go down. All right, so right when you go into the website, he already has the mystery box straight into it, which is pretty dope. He has different types, so he has 1,000, 1,500, 2,500, and 5,000. I think for me, because I've already done like a $1,300 mystery box from Rare Kicks, if you haven't, link will be in the description below. I wanna kind of keep it in line, see how they are in terms of value, and if we'll be getting the same amount or same type of heat, we will. So $1,500, let's go ahead and put in add to cart. PTownKicks, pretty dope website. Easy to maneuver. And then we'll go ahead and do PayPal because PayPal is the safest way to make sure that the product gets to the buyer. So we'll go down. I'm a little nervous because $1,500 is not like a little bit of money. Okay, so large priority mail, 2 to 3 days, $49.99. Dude, my label plug can get it here cheaper and faster, but we'll go and just play it out. All right, so here it is. We are completing the order. Bang, order's being processed. Taking some time, and we did it. Oh, we did it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and chime back in whenever we get this. Hopefully we get it safe, and we'll be seeing y'all soon. All right. Day is a week exactly from when we ordered that package from PTownKicks, and I gotta say, ordering, getting the updates, and then to delivery, very smooth, no issues with shipping in general. So definitely wanna do a big shout out to PTownKicks for just an easy transaction. I'm ready to get into this box. But before we begin, we just hit 600 subscribers, and man, it is so crazy. Comment down below what you guys think. Do you think we're gonna get a W or are we gonna take an L? You guys have seen my last video from Rare Kicks. We bought a $1,300 mystery box. This one is a $1,500 mystery box with a $50 shipping fee. And let's get this popping. So we're gonna go and flip this over. I don't wanna be looking into it. I think the one thing that I did was I shared like a little peek. This one will just be pulling it up and we'll see exactly what we get, and then we can evaluate the value in terms of that. So I'll go and open this box. Oh man, I'm a little nervous. Let's see if we can get a W. First glance is gonna be right now. Oh my gosh. Dude, every time I do this, it's just so nerve-wracking because it's a big gamble when you do these mystery boxes. So I'm not gonna take a peek, but we're gonna open it up. We're gonna fill this box. All right, let's go. Box number 1, we're gonna pull out. What is it? All right, just took a peek. Okay, so these look like I think this is a blazer, so let's see. So it's a blazer mid 77 vintage, Pacific blue, university red. Don't know what this is, but it is a size 11.5. We're gonna open this up. Hopefully it is a banger. I haven't seen these, to be honest with you. My blazer knowledge isn't as crazy, so I'm hoping that this has some kind of value. I probably will have to go back and see exactly what the market is on these, but generally I haven't really seen any crazy hype on these, so we'll go and add this to the counter. So the counter is gonna be right here. The great thing about this shoe is they are dead stock, so let's go into that view real quick. Okay, so overall the shoe is very clean. You have this Pacific blue, has a white tint here as well, and then you have that university red swoosh. Generally, I don't really rock too many blazers, but this is a pretty cool shoe. I think this should be like a throw-in shoe, hopefully, to add to the value. So I'm probably gonna say either this would be like a $75 to $80 shoe if I was to guess anything. I don't see any hype in them, but hopefully the next shoe is going to be a bang. All right, box number 2. Let's All right, what is this? Okay, so it's a Jordan box. I believe this is the Like Mike series that was released, if I am correct. So this is a Summit White, Team Orange Black, Air Jordan 6 Retro. So I think I know exactly what this is. Hopefully it is brand new. Okay, I was right for sure. So this pair, oh wow, wait, no, I don't know. Are these brand new? No, they are used, so I would say gently used. Definitely a solid shoe. I haven't seen this actually in a long time. So this is the Jordan 6, the Like Mike Gatorade edition. Okay, so these are like I said, the Like Mike. You have that orange colorway with the white. I would say these are possibly used lightly. Definitely will be putting on the website. I know that the resale on this would probably be around like $290 for dead stock pairs. But generally it's an overall clean shoe. You have that If I Could Be. So this was released in 2017. I would end up probably putting this at like a value of like $190 since it's used. But let's see what we got for the next shoe. On to the third shoe. We're probably at a value about like $300 to $350 right now. I'm hoping that we can pull something out, that those were just fillers. We'll pull this one. This feels to be like a, dang, it's a damn Yeezy box. And I was right, yeah. So it is a $350 box. Hopefully we got a good colorway. This is a size 10.5 Cinder. So I know what colorway this is. Clean colorway. Oh, okay. So we got that tag right there, so meaning it is a dead stock pair. Let's go ahead and check this out really quick. Boost is good. No signs of wear. Okay, great. So this is also has that StockX tag. If you're wearing your tags with this, something's wrong. Okay, like I said, a size 10.5, which is not bad. You got no signs of wear on the boost, and then you still have this tag and these two tags attached to it. Will possibly be a dead stock pair. I've seen prices on these kind of fluctuate, but I've also seen that, you know, you can sell these for about like $350 to $380. I probably, depending on like lowest ask, I'd probably go for like a steal. Maybe I sell these for like $320 and then go from there. So ultimately good value to our counter, and we'll keep on moving. Hopefully we pull out another banger, but this is great value, especially because it's dead stock. So shoe number 4, let's see what we got. This feels like a Jordan box. Okay, yep. All right, Jordan 1 box, which is definitely what we like seeing. Hopefully it is a banger, but let's see. Size 9.5, black, white, black. Okay, this one's not too bad, but let's see. Hopefully it's dead stock. I know what this is. This is the Yin and Yang, or Yin Yang Jordan 1. Let's see. Generally, this does look to be a very clean pair. Minimal creasing. I'll go into that view really quick, but it's not bad, to be honest. Like, I think this release was a couple of years ago. Like I said, overall quality on this Yin Yang Jordan 1, generally very clean. So I know that this released in 2016, very simple, simplistic vibes that you can get from this. Definitely going to be a great addition to the counter. We got 1 shoe left. I probably would be selling this at around like $200 to maybe $240. I know that the prices are generally fluctuated because it is an older pair. I think the last time I saw this, they had like a lowest ask of like $348. So I'd probably go for around that area. So pretty cool counter. Let's see what we got next. It looks like this is our last box. I haven't been able to really calculate everything in my head. We're okay in terms of value. I know we're not anywhere near 1,500, so I'm hoping that this last shoe is a banger. Comment down below, please. Pray for OOS. Let's see what we got. Tell me it is good. Tell me it is good, please. What kind of box is this? Okay, it's not easy, which is great. Oh, we got an off-white box. The 10 Nike Blazer Mid, canvas total orange. So if I know what this is, it should be a great addition. It should get us above our counter, but let's see. Okay, it is worn, which isn't too bad. It did come with this GOAT verified, so which is awesome because, you know, we don't have to second guess if these are legit or not. A very clean pair. I haven't checked market on these, but I'm probably gonna take a guess, but let's go and look into that view. All right, so like I said, a very clean pair. This is the Hallows Eve. This one was released during Halloween, I believe 2 years ago. It's a very clean pair, don't get me wrong. I know that in terms of off-white, they do keep their value. Blazers are a little bit in and out, so I've seen dead stock pairs go for about $900. I'm not sure what I would price this at. I probably would go like depending on what the last sale was, I probably, since it's OG All, it even has the zip tie, which is great. So OG All definitely would be able to sell this, I think so, in the aftermarket. I probably would sell this at around like 700 to 750 just because of the condition. But overall, I think we're in the positive now. Let's get a recap. So I think that's pretty much, oh wait. Dope. So he gave also a Supreme, you know, the bouncy balls. I think I had a few of these too. These actually had a little bit of resale value. I'm not sure if this was like a throw-in, but that's a pretty cool little gift that he provided. Maybe I can use it for like a little giveaway. But overall, let's do a box recap. So we got 5 shoes, 3 of them that were worn, and then we have 2 of them that were DS. So for a box that I spent $1,550 on, I'm not sure if in total that we got the, you know, kind of like 10% or 15%. I understand all this is like a gamble, so definitely it's a good experience. It really just depends on finding the right buyers. And with that being said, all these shoes that are going to be, that have been unboxed in this mystery box are going to be on my website. Check it out, www.OOSKicks.com. That's where a lot of our merchandise is on there. You know, some heaters in there. You got the Cinders, we have the Halloween, the Blazers, and then the Yin and Yangs. Those should be able to move faster. I wish they were dead stock, but at the end of the day, it is what it is. I definitely think there could have been more value a little bit, but again, this is all about the risk that you're taking. So let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you guys all for the support. Thank you for allowing us to hit 600 subscribers. It's been a journey and we're gonna keep on pushing, and we appreciate y'all. We love y'all, and always remember, stay in stock with Out of Stock Kicks. Peace.